Yo, GM bro, Bedwisize here, and I got a guide for you on how to make 10k on Memecoins. I got another video describing how I ran up $200 into 10k, so I think I'm pretty credible to speak on this topic. Okay, step 1. If you're starting with low sol, then this step is important. Pump vision plus flipping. The best way to flip your way up quickly from like 1 to 3 sol to a little more, 5, maybe 10 plus, is scanning pump vision and just taking quick profits on like a couple X trades, 2 to 5x. You can build yourself up pretty nicely this way. So for the best speed and entries, I recommend using NovaBot with the Nova Click extension. Check it out, link in bio and pinned comment. And what to look for to find good flips? These are important traits that you gotta look for in these coins. Good volume, so a lot of people are trading them. Low insider holding. Insiders are these little rats. Low dev holding. Good catchy ticker and a good funny meme. Here is an example of a potentially good meme. Eidolon, the first AI agent. The YouTube video was linking to some AI thing talking 16 years ago. Developer isn't holding anything. Insiders are only holding 2% and the top holders are only 20%. Plus, here, volume is over $1 million. There's over 1,000 holders. And here is the chart. There's pullbacks, goes up, down, boom. It's like a legitimate chart. It's not just going one way. And an example of a 99% sure scam that you shouldn't buy. Look at these red flags. 64% insider holding, and insider holding in fresh coins is usually the dev that just bought with multiple other wallets. So the dev is controlling like 60% of the supply and he can dump the coin to zero at any moment. 40% top holders, which can dump the coin really easily, just like the insider holding. Only $1,000 of volume, even though the coin is on 77k. Look how interesting this is. This coin is on 230k, so a little over 3 times the market cap of this one, but it has 1,000 times more volume. This coin has $1 million volume, and this coin has $1,000 volume. Only 142 holders. The meme isn't anything special, it's like Trump pump, and the chart is only going up. This is like usually a very scammy sign. If the chart is moving slowly and just up, that means the dev is buying, like with his wallets here, all with his wallets. That's why the chart isn't dumping, because the dev knows it's not gonna dump because he's holding everything. So he just keeps on buying and waits for more people to buy until eventually when he has enough profit, just dumps and deletes the coin straight to zero. And yeah, signs of obvious scams you gotta watch out for to not trade. Like I said, high insider holding, I think 20-30% plus, it's quite bad, but some coins can still send even with high insider percentage holding. But I would recommend to avoid them, it's just safer. High dev holding, it's like max 20%. If the dev is holding more than that, even 20% is very bad. 10% is also very bad, but preferably you want the dev to hold less than 5%. That's ideal. So yeah, if the dev is holding more than 20%, it's a no-go. Just don't buy that. A low amount of holders while the market cap is high. So like 67k market cap while there's 26 holders. It's usually a sign of an obvious scam. And the chart slowly rising with 0 pullbacks. So like you see, the dev loaded up on his position here, and then the chart is just slowly going up without anything else happening. And I don't know why he did a million weird dev buys here, but chart just slowly goes up and up. Never buy in these coins. If you see a chart like this, super slow, just rising, just don't. It's gonna save you money. And with this knowledge and some trial and error, you can flip your way up, because of course you're not gonna be perfect right at the start. You gotta trade a bit, you're gonna analyze your mistakes, and practice, but eventually I think you should be able to start being profitable and stack more SOL. What I recommend in trades is take initials. So when the coin does a 2x, you take out what you originally put in and you let the rest of your position just ride up, and then you can take more profits along the way. Because this way you're securing the SOL that you put in and minimizing the risk, while you still have some in-game, so you can take profits along the ride. Stack more and more SOL, and don't increase the risk of your playstyle as you grow, because most people do that. As they earn more, they start playing more and more risky, and this is usually an easy path to lose it all. You gotta be careful for this. It's easy to start feeling like a god of trading and everything is going well, but then only a couple bad trades with an overexposed amount of money and you can be back down at what you started or at zero really quick, so careful for this. And then step 2. After you flipped your way up, you have some more SOL, you got some more freedom to do more strategies. So what I like to do is front-running narratives. And I'm gonna give you an example of that and explain what it means, because Christmas is coming and it's the 15th of December when I'm recording this. So this strategy is about buying coins that have good tickers and are generally good memes, but are now forgotten about, but that might get revived on a certain date or event. So it's the 15th of December and Christmas is in 1.5 weeks and New Year's Eve is in a bit over 2 weeks. So you gotta ask yourself and actually think, what coins will people be searching up? Because trust me, they will be. Meme coin traders are gonna find any reason to pump a coin. So in Christmas they're gonna be looking out for Christmas coins, and just think about it. Now, almost nobody's looking at Christmas coins yet. But when Christmas is near, a couple days before Christmas or even on Christmas Day, they're probably gonna be going crazy. And this way, you're gonna be buying bottom out charts with a very low entry price, even with a low amount of SOL put in, like 0.2 SOL on 12k. If you get a 30x, 50x, like if you get a 30x on 0.2 SOL, your position will be worth 6 SOL. So that strategy can be very powerful. And a good example of this is Jonassy. You see here in July, I'm pretty sure, there was Fortnite meta and Fortnite coins were sending, and this Jonassy one sent, and then it died and it has been forgotten about for many months. Here it was on 9k market cap. So let's say you're betting on Fortnite meta coming back. You buy in here at 9k market cap and just wait, forget about the coin. Then Fortnite meta came back and Jonassy sent to 5 million. Even originally here at the start it sent to like almost 2 million, but here it did 4 or 5 million market cap. So if you'd be buying on 10k, 5 million is 500x. So that strategy can be crazy powerful. And I got you some Christmas coins picks, so you don't have to search them yourself. Keep in mind, nothing is guaranteed. There is no guarantee these are gonna be revived, but I think they have a decent chance. And I also recommend you to do some thinking yourself, because you can find something better than me. And yeah, these are my suggestions. First, Kevin McAllister, because you know, movie Kevin Home Alone. Kevin with hat, Happy New Year. 2025, although there is a couple of 2025 coins. Same with the Happy New Year, so be careful, because you never know which one is gonna get picked up. But sometimes it's good to just split SOL between like a couple of the same tickers. New Year, stronger economy, because Trump is becoming president in January, so this one is a little of a slower cook, but has potential for sure. Rudolph, Christmas mascot, everybody knows Rudolph. And Santa emoji coin, this is a very simple one, but it's clean, just 25k market cap. And yeah, probably no other more Christmas coin than the Santa emoji coin. And you need some patience with these. When they get attention again after you bought in the dust, start partially taking profits. Because let's say you buy in Santa on 25k and it goes to 100k. If you would sell all, like there is a chance Santa would go to 1 million, you would lose out on so much money, you would be super mad. So when these coins are getting attention again, because you have such a low entry, which isn't like that risky, you can take profits partially, more slowly, and you can let these coins run. You can let them ride and take profits along the way. Like, I don't know, 200k, 500k, 800k, 1 million. Targets depend on the coin and on your strategy, but you can figure it out yourself. And literally this step alone can get you to 10k plus, but if it doesn't, I got a third step for you. So, high conviction plays with size. Here you're going to be looking at established, more often than not, multi-million-dollar market cap coins. You can use Twitter or TG call channels for research to find interesting coins. Just be careful, because a lot of Telegram call channels are using followers as exit liquidity, so they're just gonna show bad coins and make money on their followers. So I'm not saying to follow anybody on Twitter or Telegram. You just use it to find stuff that you find interesting and that you think can do well. You don't blindly follow anybody. Here's an example. Let's say you'd stumble upon this tweet about a coin called Peanut. This guy's talking about an AI university, sub 100 mil, and somebody commented Peanut. So here you find the ticker. Check out the website, do your research. Website looks clean. And let's say you put in a couple K from what you profited earlier into it. And it turns out that it's a banger coin that is getting attention, volume, and it's sending to multi-millions, like 20 plus. Peanut is 20 plus right now. And you'd be up 16.4k. Like on this example, you put in 2.93k, it'd be up 16.4k. So even one good trade can get you to 10k plus or 20k plus. All it takes is one good trade. So if the step 2 doesn't get you there with the front running a meta portfolio, then you can put a couple K in a coin that you think is great. Be patient. And like I said, you can turn a couple K into 20k plus, 10k plus. And to sum it up, if you're starting with low amounts of SOL, you flip your way up on Pump Vision, stack more SOL, then you can get a portfolio with smaller forgotten coins for a meta like Christmas or New Year's Eve or any other meta that you think can come back. And then when you have more capital to ape into bigger coins, like here, you can chuck in a couple K into something that really has something behind it and is not just a random coin, and execute the trade. If you enjoyed the video or you learned anything, you can leave a sub, because we're on 33 subs right now. And still, growth is insane, because I only been doing this for like the past 2 weeks. So thank you to everybody subbing, I appreciate you. You can join my Telegram, called some decent things in there, like Tau on 200k, it went to 10 mil. And you can also follow my Twitter. I post giveaways, I post stuff I find interesting. So have a great day and good luck on your trading journey. Bad With Size is out.